Hey, howdy, hey y'all. Today we're going to talk about 10 beauty products that I always have on my vanity. There's actually more than 10 beauty products that I always keep on my vanity, but for the sake of time, you know, because I could probably sit here for 45 minutes and talk about all the wonderful products on my vanity, but we're just going to do 10 today. This video is in collaboration with the amazing Jennifer from Jennifer Loves Makeup. I will have Jennifer's video listed down below so that you can go check out her video and see what 10 beauty products she always keeps on her vanity. So let's jump right in, shall we? Here they are. There might be 11. Don't tell Jennifer. I think I only counted 10, but I don't know, one might have snuck in there somehow. So, obviously, having a YouTube channel, you have a lot of beauty products. Or at least I do. I have a lot of beauty products. But there are some that I never take off of my vanity. I will have products rotate in and out all the time because I'm trying something new or I'm testing something to do a video on, but these products are always on my vanity, and they're always on my vanity because I love them. Now these are not in any particular order. I'm just going to start with what I've got on the top, and that is my, you can see how well loved it is. This is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Lavender. And I think that I got this in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and it is my absolute favorite setting powder. I just love it. I always leave this on my vanity so that if I'm going out somewhere and I need something that I absolutely can rely on, then I will pull this out. I will have all the products listed and linked down below in case you're interested in checking any of them out. And staying with Fenty Beauty, the next product that I never take off of my vanity is this Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powdered Foundation, and this is in the shade 260. As any of you who have been with me a while know, love my powdered foundations. I always used the NYX Stay Matte, Not Flat, I think is what it's called, powdered foundation. And then I got this, I don't remember whether I got this in a box or if I purchased it, but I love it, and I can see the grid starting to show in this foundation, but it is my all-time perfect foundation. And it has the little sponge. I tried it once. I don't like to use the sponges because I think it uses up a lot of your product. I like to use this foundation with my BK Beauty 101 foundation brush. Always on my vanity. The next product is e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I mean, you know, in my mind, this should be a staple on everybody's vanity because it is just that good. I absolutely love it. I do use other face primers that I really do enjoy, but this one is always going to be on my vanity. Next, we have a new favorite. This is the Sigma Conditioning Lip Mask, Hyaluronic Acid, Vitamin E, and jojoba oil. And if you remember, I got this in my Sigma 12 Days of Beauty box, and I have been using it ever since. It has not left my vanity. I put this on every night before I go to bed, and my lips have been nice and soft. I have not had any dry patches on my lips. I absolutely love this. Next, we have my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. This is my all-time favorite eye primer. I absolutely love it. I have tried to love several other eye primers. It has not happened. I will continue to try different eye primers, but I love this one. This is my favorite, and I have another one in a different color that I want to try just for kicks and giggles It might be it's not okra. That's what's in the garden. I can't remember what the flavor is. But I'm going to give that a try, and I'm sure that I will love it just as much. I'm not sure about the color, but always on my vanity. Next up, we have the Kosas Eyebrow. This is, I believe, in soft brown. Yes, it is in soft brown. I think I got this in one of my boxes too. It may have been BoxyCharm, and besides the fact that the packaging is purple, which is my favorite color, I love this, and I'm using it today. I like brow pencils as well, but this is so easy. Like in the mornings when I'm getting ready to go to work, I'm not a morning person, so I get up and I'm rushing to try to get ready. So this is just quick and easy, and it makes my brows look so good, and they look so full and fluffy, and I absolutely love it. The next product, I believe, has been discontinued, which is very, very sad to me, but it is the BareMinerals Invisible Bronze Powder Bronzer, and this is in the shade Tan, and I love it, love it, love it. To me, it looks like, even though it says tan, it just looks like a cool bronzer to me, which I am a neutral girl, but this bronzer is just beautiful. What it does to my skin is just amazing, and I'm using it sparingly because, like I said, I think it's been discontinued. But as long as this is in existence, it will stay on my vanity, and hopefully it will last forever. Hopefully it's a bottomless bronzer. Okay, y'all wish that for me, okay? The next item is this True and Luscious Lucky Glow palette. It's a bronze and highlight palette. It has a nice mirror in it, and you can see this as well has been very well loved. I have just about used up all of that Good Fortune bronzer. I am now working on this one, and I can see the grid pattern on that one. It has 3 highlighters in it and a blush, and I love this. I love it so much that I already have a backup. This lives on my vanity as well because the bronzers in here as well are really, really nice, and it's nice to have a blush. There's something about this blush. It's just a nice, soft, peachy pink, and it seems to just go with everything I have this on today, and I love how this blush looks on me. So again, in the mornings when I'm getting ready for work and I'm rushing, I don't have to worry about finding a blush that goes with my outfit or goes with my eye look. I know that this blush is going to go with anything. This is a really, really nice highlighter. That is what I'm wearing today too, on my cheeks and on my nose, and I just absolutely love it. And then I have a palette, and out of all of the makeup that I own, palettes are my absolute favorite. I just love my eyeshadow palettes, and my favorite is this Alien Cosmetics Not Normal palette, which Alien Cosmetics now is Unearthly Cosmetics. This is the only palette that I own from them. I want to get some more, but I love the color story in this palette. It is such a beautiful color story, and I do have some of the shades from out of this palette on my eyes today. I love this brown, is just beautiful, and this grungy brown, purple, mauve goodness, I just love that too. This shimmery purple, just when you put it on your eyes, it almost looks wet. And this black, I've never used a black like this. It is just fantastic. So this palette lives on my vanity all the time. It is my go-to. Again, when I'm in a hurry, but also when I'm not, because I just love the color story and I love the looks that I can create with it, and the formula is outstanding. So that was 9 products, and yes, there are 2 there are 2 more laying in front of me. Don't look, Jennifer. The next item is in a Sydney Grace Z palette. But it doesn't have Sydney Grace shadows in it. These are my Makeup Geek shadows. And these are not all of my Makeup Geek shadows. I love Makeup Geek. You can see that I hit pan on that. And I can see a little silver in that one too, because I use those 2 shades all the time. I am using those shades today along with this pink and this purple. I love Makeup Geek. I am so sad that they have gone out of business. And yes, I ran to their website as fast as I could and grabbed up as many shadows as I could find. I do have this little shadow here is a Natasha Denona sample that Maria from Night Star Beauty sent to me. But I leave this on my vanity because look at that color story. I could create any look I wanted to any day of the week, no matter what I was wearing. And I absolutely love it. And the last thing that stays on my vanity, and I know I'm into 11, but I had to throw this in here because when I use my eye primer, I like to set it. So these are just little single shadows. I don't even know which brands they are, but I leave them on my vanity all the time so that I have something. You can see I'm almost done with this one. I use that every time to set my eye primer. But so that I have something to set my eye primer with, and also depending on what palette I'm working with, that I always have something that I could use as a transition shade. And I just keep that in this little Z palette. Like I said, these are not all of the items that live on my vanity full time. If you're interested in another video wanting to know more about what products live on my vanity, let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know down in the comments, what are your favorite products that live on your vanity all the time? Make sure that you go check out Jennifer's video so we can find out what 10 products live on her vanity. If you have never heard of Jennifer, you definitely need to go check out her channel. She does a lot of collabs and makeup looks and get ready with me's and unboxings. She does product reviews, and she does videos with her husband Aaron. I call them the dynamic duo. So if you want to go check out Jennifer and her husband to see what kind of antics they are up to, make sure that you click on that link and go check them out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and finding out what's on my vanity. If you enjoyed my video, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your favorite products off your makeup vanity and play with them. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to let me know what your favorite things are that you keep on your vanity all the time. Maybe you should move the fishing lures and stuff out of the way so that you can see what those wonderful beauty products are. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.